How to connect Bluetooth headphones to iPhone 23. To connect Bluetooth headphones to an iPhone, follow these steps. 1. Turn on your Bluetooth headphones. Make sure your Bluetooth headphones are charged and turned on. Some headphones may have a specific pairing mode that needs to be activated by holding down the power button for a few seconds. 2. Enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner. iPhone X or later, or up from the bottom of the screen, iPhone 8 or earlier, to open the control center. Tap on the Bluetooth icon to enable it. Alternatively, you can go to settings greater than Bluetooth and toggle the switch to turn it on. 3. Put your headphones in pairing mode. If your headphones have a dedicated pairing button, press and hold it on. You see a flashing light or hear an audible indication that the headphones are in pairing mode. If there's no dedicated button, consult your headphones manual for pairing instructions. 4. iPhone will search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled, it will automatically search for nearby devices in pairing mode. 5. Select your headphones in the list of available Bluetooth devices. You should see the name of your headphones. Tap on it to start the pairing process. 6. Confirm the pairing. Your iPhone will prompt you to confirm the pairing request with your headphones. Tap Pair or Connect to finalize the connection. 7. Wait for the connection. Your iPhone will establish a connection with the Bluetooth headphones. Once connected, you should see the Bluetooth. Your Bluetooth headphones should now be successfully connected to your iPhone. You can test the connection by playing some music or making a phone call to ensure the audio is routed through the headphones. Remember that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the model of your iPhone and Blue. Good idea to refer to the respective manuals. If you encounter any issues, you're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy watching.